So I had multiple cancers at the same time, and it's possible that you can live a normal life even with cancer.
Kwah mo open kala cancer hamet.
Kulevi baru ibu ini video nak puas keporang. So pemut bani share yang pig ni kani gawe pakai video. Pada pidang thamai pimba subscribe bapa ni kijing share kijing pasat jing mod bad kijing peni baper bangan jupeni nak puas kepor nak ni channel mo. Imanta kasing ni lelit share gawe kijing yalang. Kani kijing yalang kadi ba compare ke bang empat judo kampen ikot ni channel ten resha pengin ni cerita maka ban subatai pig niat spang kijing share jong kayeng jongi hadu menta. Ngila du no ye email jongi hari ni sedang beladap syakani kijing pang balong kijing pang pong ni kijing pang cancer kawin ni kijing babi bar kawin ni kijing small sanut ke jonga bar kijing so sanut ke jongi rukum ke yeng kesem kalong ba ngimshim layo ya kapor ke babiang bar kapor lesi ke ba kaloi bingi ke ba email ila ban penti kenai kita kijing pang ke badan kemet ke jongi tenre hagi tu por ngidang luna kilat ngimpat song thu kalong kumno bar kum kon rang ba ke yeng haki babun kiliang ngasngo sanut ba ngasngo ngasu kumadang don bun ki ba ngadei ban le tu por ringam shim layo ban le bat menta kuman chong no ki bun ki jing sung sanut re ngisuru bat ba kapor kamsha ha tu kapor bat ki jing tip ru ki duna ba pan ko phi pen page ini video du mendukut ha bai de bat kani ki jing pang nomor kani ki jing elang menta ka de ha bai de ba ni jing pang cancer bat ngasmu de ru ban ya sam bat phi ni khubor ngakwa ba phi ni le lang bat nga menta singi pro singi in skap ayu bi ki don banong bat ka khubor ayu bi ngin yo nang tei khnang ba ki bi ba thon ki jongi kin yo e kapor ka ba biang kin yo e kapor ka ba gelut kaba onlap yakum kini jingpang la don kamet jongki ba kajung poru bakin la ban yo ya kajing sumar kaba kloy tapi ini video pendukut dengan ilang fish dish po mariat organize ya kani daka tenat jong ka khia jong sarkar jela tingini page don ayu ti jaka bat ayu ki don ban batai ban ai khubor lani ya kajing ya kran jing batai ru hati jaka mo ini video do pendukut perlo ke program ke sedang kumbos phobje ai Hina pa yung may ban ro ban lang sa te hindi dum kubor. Oh, ato. Ba may ban ka jing lang kalong stage jerong bagadan ni baba may ban iwe ni nong tho kubor besir khay bha jong full front media.
Media deh bisa.
Yasmin in sa speech bit ko bahit ba? To tell us about the conclave, Yasmin.
It's about cancer care. It's about spreading awareness and urging people to go and get themselves screened.
Kali ni sa sama bit speech yung bahit ba? Laidan ni hapo kani kani ka main stage ni and we have people gitu baru kay gibun masyadin. Ikong Yasmin hang ni de cancer survivor. La kanu snem flyer lenti menta kong Yasmin.
Snem kasdang por ngadang kat waste nam. So mentang alalay post nam. So naduk
almost 20 years.
Yes.
Conduct school in Long Shadong with the kajing sumar in all that.
No. After first diagnosis ngala actually shitong kumni ha cancer. When you cross that 5-year mark shitong mafilajam. It's considered cured. Mayo yang cancer di age of 28 that is 2022. Mayo cancer but not just one, multiple cancers at the same time.
Kung mentafi daw dan kajing sumar still going.
Yes.
Tamang ating kaya ngap ka speech ke jung isbit 2 minutes tama bom may panhatag di
Penava show yang
ngakwa ki pen page ini ke podcast ka ba sayo mga Yasmin hapo haslong podcast te kan ngini yo panikiran khamha le se phiru pen khamtep khamha pang jungin sa batay bhaji anti batwe ini yo min sem amo juklet kan shu ai kena di trailer mentang sngi lingmai te speech jongi
mangi khamtam ha shalong ni shit yating ha banyalit le treatment ani perkhat ani le treatment tinginum la le issue but then I'm a living example ba even after treatment, with treatment rufila ban ima normal life bila fi shong pet berkat ngan di dawai khasi ngan di dawai ayurvedic all this maybe ki long preventive medicine and ki baru in many ways, but not for something severe as cancer. Ni they ban consider ban ya screen ela de regularly, even if you are done cancer history here, there we are able to screening regularly, because that way feel up and prevent and feel up and detect early, and that will help you not go through what I have gone through.
Okay, hi. We are actually whispering right now because we're waiting for the minister to come.
Lawan minister,
Next, we have our Principal Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Government of bangin cempuit berkacuk bangin tangan ya lang bang ya sarangkat badukun jongi hendrai da kajin kemen menta lengba kajin ya jongi sekmat ya kaban pak sumar watla haat nungkong edan pen kajin ting kajin seir ma ban pak sumar hendrai ha kajin sitom ka bajur ngim ban seng ya sekmat hendrai menta ni yo ya kajin kemen ha pen kajin ja umat kajin pat kamen sim ka da onor ukun mentang bab kajing kemen ke bakrau ke bah ngamdon telit ngamlak ban batai syuk ya kata kajing bha kajing sebun kajing Malaysia balabu ya kita gi doktor jengi ki banan bastad kunjuk roi ki nas ki staff bar bagi dai bentur seprang ada dan meno ki bapang ki bastom him dai benteng him dai ban seir dai ban ya ba ya kajing sumar ya an sim barok ki be ini Jepang bakin wanca kajing sumar man kloy man yo kajing sumar da biang bat man yo amat da bakwai kia.
My name is Yasmin and I am a childhood cancer survivor. I have had cancer when I was 11, but then on the year 2022 I was diagnosed with cancer again. I had breast cancer, then I had cancer in my retroperitoneal area. I don't know how to say that word. And then I had a lesion in my jawbone. So I had multiple cancers at the same time. Being in this situation for a very long time, one thing I've realized that when we keep talking about early detection, we keep talking about getting yourself screened. I, being in that situation, understand how important it is. I also understand people, they are scared. I have been scared. I was in denial for the longest time. When I had a lump in my breast, I did not want to go get myself checked because I was scared that it might happen again, and it did. And I understand for many that might be the problem. They think that we don't want to bring that in the family, but if you get yourself checked, you get yourself screened, and you get yourself detected, you might not have to go through things that I had gone through. I had multiple surgeries, and I don't think so. You have to go. You will have to go to that level of treatment. I'm really happy that we are taking initiatives to spread awareness about cancer, and I would be really happy if this conclave turns out to be fruitful and we reach the destination that we are to prevent more cancer, to convey the message, especially to the rural areas. If anybody knows that you have a cancer history in your family, I would request you all to please get yourself screened. If not you, then you will help a lot of people in your family. And so I'm here as a testimony saying that I'm still undergoing treatment, and it's possible that you can live a normal life even with cancer. And I hope that we bring better medical facilities in our states, because I had to go out and do my treatment, and I don't want that for anyone. I hope that everybody will get proper treatment, and because we all deserve it.
And I was able to fight cancer. I was able to go through the black and the blues and heal from the scars due to the support of family members, due to proper counseling, due to timely screening, and also very kind words from doctors. And I do wish that through this conclave, we will talk about, Meghalaya being a destination to have cancer treated. Why can't Shillong be a hub where cancer can be treated?
If you are a cancer patient, government must step in. We have to simplify all the procedures, because a cancer patient does not have the privilege of running from pillar to post. Cut out all the formalities, reach out and make sure that every cancer patient in the state does not have to go begging with a bowl, looking for funds to be able to access the best of the best facilities, not just within the state of Meghalaya, but across cities.
But hang name tangidon, but iweni doctor oncologist.
Kani kajing jelai kani kajing pang hani ha jela jongi hi number 1 is ngibat hi yaka kerdan ro yaka cancer related to tobacco. The bone kinong pangkat bangi kali baphi di bam tobacco hi pendon kam ne emu dumai ki ong baik ba ho ngi pendon kam. So ngaong baik ka foremost kadeka jing bam jelai kajing bam duma but di duma mo de hendiat kidon ki studies bengi ong ba ukwai ro mo open kala cancer hamet de kumba bam kwai mangi kalong ba ngi pen kedang yala dia du kwai ban nakaja ban ni ki jur ki so de kataro kam de ka babha bat kam ka dapat hikum ni ki cancer statistics jong ka jela jong ite ngin hap le I ken tengi kum ki nong sumar kum ki nong yungi let ngi le ka e bengi di ban le screening ban lap ekip nong pang haka stage ka badang kloy mo ka badang kong badang at andre kum ki pat ba ka ai ngi la ban le ban penduna ka ni ka jingpang haka jela kalong kawai kalong bangi di ban penduna ne da sange no himo ka jing pendan kam bat ka jing pendan kam duma bat ka bam kwai
speech bahit ba
Ngelak-ngelak.
Midana ni bat I kong wari boros katang na sikran bana kapun matang lai kendo marfan ila ai speech ka bathias ma ka bahit ba bane ante baro sita ta ba ki playa lingba as a cancer survivor le. What's the best thing that people along the people learn with you jong kai hai ta ina nanti jong pi tu ka ni sam ta
Nah, yo ya kan kalau jemut berkat makan kai, maka tiap hari ni your mental health has become, for me, my mental health has become stronger. Normal bahak ko bang pangli, namday ko priya ko ba taon berkat hakaliang ko ba day dite. Like I didn't think of myself a person who would think about life in a positive way. Every day I had to fight this disease with positivity. Nah, habis nampak ni ka jimpang, dah kajingnya, bangala, bangan, bakam day bakan bat bot bakan bat yang akan kadai ngai dia berkat ba ila ba ban yakun
nang sabu ka link Instagram page ko jongi pila ban lek ban ki queries ki babun ki jong pila se ba pikwa le se ban tip ki reality ko ba company le se ba khamlong personal ru baju ko po pila ban dia mi Instagram ma ilong kloi ban ya ban jubab ki jing kli ki jong mo to ko ki jing kli ko wari. What's the best thing in life bagi layu ni hadut mentah long kebalong kerpang ha habis jangan berjumpa kan hadut mentah
kadang ngah hapor bangan amlan kejimpang deh hapor kibri ki phone yang ki ang ni ngah berkat jumpi ngah duai jumpi jumpi kat no kacing yang
sok kejing semua.
Yes, so the best thing I've gained from this is knowing that I have very supportive family, I have very supportive friends, and these are things that I treasure with all my heart.
Speech the best part kong diri kini kide ki nong lum khubor ki ban dala dab lum khubor ki jule kini ki ba kentup ya I ba will hang ni ba me ban nang tai bi kong staff hang ni ni di kong di miss living root di rating miss living root ban pat sha pen klem pat sha kini kata itu mentah dia lagi kan mau hi ke jingking ding sethi ke jingking juri sethi siapa karena ini ide nasi manusia no ide brand ambassador jong tu model iba teriak mah bah jo kopor di nong khok bor nong kubor thias tikna is kenal kong step
Maka
Codefreemen cameraman.
Kani ke program ni kan long ars ni mentas ni bala syai ba kibun ba kijing ekran kijing patai bat kiwe play ba kijing mu berkhat hagi babun kilyang bat yo ru ban yo sngo ya kai bakas sarkar ketemu ban le si bayi ba kijing pang terus not kalong ba kani rang de first time ko bagi penlong ko ni conclave hang ni po jela jongi or ba men swang kampat ju kam juda jakot ni kampat ju long ko kawi ba hang ni kalong ba kabang yo jing kai menta nakani ka conclave kalong ma idon kam banit hatas dang kloy la dayo sngo kijing thut hakamet hakabakum nuk nuk rukom ko thi sngo long smushan khmat le si la banong idon kam banit ban hatas no dang kloy na bakani rap ep badru bala ban diagnose la ban ai ru ki dawai de shen kijing sumaru dang kloy om tang ime hindri ki don ki bahing samjingi ka tu kani mi e jonga rukum ju te ka khata ba yang asimat te bat ngam kwa ba ki pat ba jongi mapi le si bahing jong pi kin bikin kumtak yang bikin du ini ke jeng tip kan bikin du ini ke jeng tip ini du ini ke jeng sumar lesi kampat dayo ban sumar bah kampat dayo ban tip bah lesi lai no yang i kim don chu ban i bat kata kan kelalong ke jeng babi ke jeng sanut ke bakhra so syam yang pi we pak video lesi bon perlong ni dan hang dia lang bat kong staff hang ni i baba meban hang ni bari ba welcome ju kini gede ki nong lum khobor ki ba kidi ki snar lum khobor ki ba shirkai jong ka rikasi jongi kini kidi baju lepi ki video ki paper ki behet hapo YouTube kini ki baring ini kublish bon ni syam yang mal pi we pak video kublish bon Mario lek bam jano